everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. Today we're going to do an Easter table for the children in the family. So let's get started. Because this is a children's table, I wanted to work in the pastels, so I started with the yellow tablecloth. I bought this one at the dollar store and it's a flannel lined tablecloth. But when I put it on the table, you could see the wood grain coming through, so I put a white tablecloth underneath it and it just helped the yellow deepen a little bit. So we're going to start with our centerpiece. I bought this little chickie at the dollar store. They had chickies and rabbits, but I wanted the chicken. I stuffed my little chickie with some shaved papers that you buy in bunches. You get them in all different colors. Then my little rabbit here, I'm going to be using some of these little rabbits and some chickies that my friend Kathy made. They're little washcloths, and we're going to put the napkins through them and use them as napkin rings, but I thought I'd put one little bunny into the basket. Then also from the dollar store, I bought some little eggs, some little chickies, and I put them into my basket. I put some lights in there just to light it up a little bit, and they're just little string lights. So we're going to put him in the center of the table. On either side of my little chickie, I have some large mason jars, but I put some more of this ribbon into it, and I put a few little eggs and some lights. At the top I put a little bit of floral foam just in the neck of the jar, and then I'm going to take these little eggs, they're already on sticks, and just put them inside. I tied a little ribbon around it, and it's a very simple little decoration, but it looks really nice. Placemats, I actually cut these egg shapes out of some shelf liner. I really like the color. I thought it was a nice Easter color, and it has a little bit of a pattern, so I thought, you know what, that works really well. And we're going to put our plates on. Then, like I said, we have more of these little bunnies that Kathy made, and we're going to put our napkin through them. She also made some little chickens. So we're going to put an Easter bunny, a chicken, an Easter bunny, a chicken, all the way around the table. Bought these little rabbits. Again at the dollar store. I think everything came from the dollar store today. Then we're going to scatter some eggs. So I had a few of these little chicks left, so we're going to place them on the table as well. Put one in the back for the people sitting in the back too. And then we're going to add our glasses. And that's our table all ready for the kids. At Easter time, we will remember to put some little chocolate eggs on the table because that's what the kids really want. So this was a little last minute idea I had. I had bought these Easter eggs from the dollar store. There was 5 in a pack and they came in all different Easter colors. I didn't end up using them on the table, and then I had an idea. What if I put them on the back of the chairs? So I used a little bit of 2-way tape, but you can use command strips. And I just opened the egg halfway and put it on the back of the chair with a little bit of ribbon hanging down. And it just adds that little extra decoration for the table. So this is a children's Easter table. Join us next week. We're going to do the adult version of this. We're going to use the same color scheme, but we're going to change it around a lot. So I hope everyone has a happy Easter. Please remember to hit like and subscribe if you're finding these tables useful, and join us next week.